this whole tutorial is a bit longer and is divided into two different parts. What you should be doing is the first part, and the second part is mistakes that people usually make to decide if you're ready for PCE or not. What if I tell you that I can provide you the most accurate way to decide if you're ready to take the PCE or not? We are PTs, right? And we believe in the objective measures. We believe in the standardized scores. Before we make any decision for our patients, we run multiple standardized tests. What if I tell you that we should be making the same decision based on the standardized scores? What is the standardized measure for you to make the right decision for your PCE? It's your mock exams. It's your practice exam scores that helps you to make a right decision if you're ready for your PCE or not. Now you need to think about how many mock exams that you're going to take. Under PCE Final Frontier, you have 7 weekly assignments, 2 mini exams, each 50 questions, 2 ethics exams, each 50 questions, 4 full-length exams, 200 questions each. But should you make a decision based on mini exams, ethics exams, assignments, or mock exams? The answer is full-length 200 questions exam. Let's say you have been studying for about 2 months and now you've decided to take the first mock and you scored, let's say, 90 by 200. I'm just going with the worst case scenario that you scored 90 out of 200. What should you do? Should you think that those 60 days of preparation is waste? Not at all, guys. What you should do is to review the whole exam. I hope you make a checklist of your weak topics from your first practice exam. And you decided to take another practice exam in about next 15 days. This time, you'll be more confident. Why? Because you'll have better endurance to sit for 4 hours, better strategies to solve questions, and you have learned so much from your previous first PC Final Frontier exam. Let's say you score 120 in your second practice exam. You still want to repeat the review, right? And learn maximum from that exam. Take the third practice exam with a little bit more maturity, better endurance, time management, stronger test taking strategies, and more confidence. Now, if your score falls in 130s, you should keep practicing the mocks. If by the third practice exam, you don't see an improvement, you might want to consider postponing for a couple months. If you made an improvement, review the questions, make your weakness list, and take the fourth Final Frontier exam. And eventually take the retired PCE from the Capper website, which is from the Alliance PT website. Remember, your practice exams are not just to provide you confidence. Confidence in terms of if you're ready to go for the exam or not. It is also about finding the opportunity to become better in specific areas of practices or domains. Your Final Frontier exams provide you the breakout of mistakes that you have made in your exam so that you could decide if you're in the right direction or not. You can use the strategies provided in one of the tutorials in the YouTube channel, and I can provide you the link down here. I hope it helps you to make some improvements. Now let's talk about the second part of this tutorial, which is about the mistakes. It's very important to know what do you need to avoid building pseudo confidence or even postponing the exam with no strong rationale. Avoid postponing your PCE based on 20 or 50 questions provided on the Alliance PT's website. You don't want to postpone just on the basis of one mock exam. It does not really matter if you score 90 or 150 in your first mock exam. It does not give you enough data to support your decision. Some people begin their preparation by taking the full-length mock. I personally don't support that. It's a little debatable, I understand, because you cannot expect from you to score 140 or even close to it if you have not solved any MCQs for a long time. It's completely fine if you want to solve 50 questions provided by Capper on their website, but taking an idea is okay, not making conclusions. Well, I think that's good enough for this tutorial, so feel free to email me on this email or schedule a diagnostic call if you need any assistance from me. Wish you good luck, and I hope you pass your PCE soon. See you in the live lectures.